Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. Stepping outside this morning, temperatures are dipping down into the teens. It's windy and cold with single-digit wind chills and spotty light snow. Now, the big storm, the blizzard, is for the East Coast. We still have a few spotty snow showers locally, and in fact, by this evening for the thumb, a winter weather advisory goes into effect. 3 to 6 inches of snow possible for Sanilac and St. Clair counties, with winds coming in off of Lake Huron. Now, throughout the day today, you can see a few spotty snow showers trying to get going. Our snow chances are lower today, certainly, than yesterday. But look at what happens for this evening. There's a look at that lake effect snow, and there could be a few spotty snow showers as far south as parts of Oakland and northern Macomb County. But the significant snow, that big accumulation, is going to be for the thumb. Today, look for a high of 24, cloudy, windy, a spotty snow chance. Tonight, we're down to 12, 3 to 5 inches of lake effect snow. Some spots could see 6, especially across parts of northern St. Clair County. 28 degrees Wednesday, 36 on Thursday, back above freezing, low 40s for the weekend, and that too is still a few degrees below average for this time of year.